Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, let's start doing our craft for today. Let me show you what I'm going to do. Again, I'm going to rescue something that my daughter and I, who are dumpster divers, found in the dumpster. I'm going to leave the link to our channel, Dumpster Chicks, in the description box below. So if you like to see us in action, rescuing things from the dumpsters, you can go and pay a visit. We found this frame, which was in awful conditions. We found it at, I think, at Michael's, and it was wet because it had been raining, but I really liked how it looked. This look is because it was wet. I think it was more glossy, but I love it. I love it. It's so, sorry, you can see it. Let me zoom out a little bit. I love how it looks. So distressed. This was not in the frame originally. I started decorating to save you time, and I'm going to finish adding this ribbon. We found this ribbon also in the dumpster at Michael's. Let me turn this around. It's beautiful. It's very Christmassy, and it's perfect, I think, for this DIY. I've already, as you can see, I've already added the adhesive to the ribbon. I've used this adhesive, which is double-sided. This is the ribbon that we found in the dumpster. As you can see, it has this side missing, but I don't mind. The ribbon was in perfect condition. So let me finish adding this to the frame, and you will see why it matches what I'm going to do with the frame. So let's do this. Okay, so now I just took a piece of foam board from Dollar Tree, and I'm lying. This is also from the dumpster. We found this in the dumpster, and I cut a piece that would fit in this frame, and this is what I did to the front. This needs more adhesive, so I'm going to add more adhesive to this ribbon, because I'm going to add some decoration at the end of each piece of ribbon. So I've already marked where it has to be. So with a white marker I kind of painted some snow, and I painted "Let It Snow" here. I need more white. My marker was running out of ink, so I will get another one and finish this to have a better look, but I needed to film this video today. So once I did this, I transferred it with white transfer paper, which is great to transfer things on dark surfaces because you get white letters or whatever you are transferring. So you just have to go with a marker or a pen or a brush and paint whatever you prefer, and you have the image in white. So after marking the snow, painting the snow, I added the ribbons, and I made these marks because what I'm going to do is I have these ornaments that you assemble together. What this is? No. Let me see. I am taking all the parts that are not matching this, the match. I have a lot of them that I bought for another occasion, so I separated two of them, and I need 3 ornaments, and I'm going to add them here. But inside the ornaments I'm going to place these little things that I have here. As I don't want to add glue in the border of the ornament because it's going to show, I'm going to add glue here in the top, on the top. I'm going to glue the little things to the background so they won't move and they won't go down through the bottom of the ornament. So let me see, I want to add this here a little bit lower, like there. So I'm going to use hot glue, and I'm going to add this ornament here. I need another stick, I think. I don't know why this is not coming out, sorry. Coming up is a DIY, if I can finish it. I want to add a little bit more glue here, just to be sure. These 2 little and cute pine cones are going to go here under this ornament, so I want them there. I hate when this happens, when the new stick doesn't go fully inside the glue gun. Let me see before it dries. Go it up like there. Okay, and now this cute little pine tree. I cut a little bit of the back of the tree so it stays flat, and I'm going to add it here. Let me see. Doesn't want to cooperate, as I always say. So let me add some hot glue also to the base, the wooden base. And here we have it. So now I have to add the ornaments covering the little thingies. So let me see if I can make this glue gun work. One's going here. The other one on top of this mini wreath. That is so cute. I love it. I don't mind adding more hot glue because I'm going to add something else on top of the ornaments. So I need to add more hot glue here. And also here. And the last one. As you can see, this is really quick. And now I have these bows that I've already made that I'm going to add on top of each ornament. In the meantime, let me tell you that this video is part of the Trash to Treasure Thrift Flip Challenge. It's hosted by Sonia from Domestic Diva DIY and the Schwowin's Nest. So I will leave the link to the channels of both hostesses. Please visit their channels. I'm not going to tell you anything about them because if you follow me, you probably know them already. And if you don't, you will be so surprised, so happy that you follow my advice to visit their channels, because they are so creative. But as I said, I want you to check by yourself and see that I'm not lying. I will also leave the link to the playlist with all the videos that are being entered in this challenge. So please watch all the videos, support our channels, so we can go on creating beautiful things. And of course, if you want, we will be very happy if you visit our dumpster diving channel, which is a lot of fun. A lot of fun. And we save a lot of things from the landfills. That's what makes us happier. It's mainly the main reason why we do dumpster diving. We donate a lot of things, we fix them and donate them. This is going to be a donation, for example. I have no more room for any more decor in my house, so I'm going to donate this one, even though I love it. Okay, I have to clean all this rest of hot glue. I've heard that with a blow dryer, a hair dryer, you can get rid of them, so I will try that later. And okay, now I have this part finished. I think it looks really great. Let's see how it looks with the frame. So let me add some hot glue to the frame. So, well, I'm going to finish adding the hot glue later because it's taking a long time, but you can see how it looks and I really like it. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see it. Okay, I really like it. Honestly, I really like it. I need to add more hot glue and something to hang it and cut these pieces, or not, doesn't bother me. And I think it's really beautiful. I love it. I want to keep it, but I have no more room at home. So I have a bonus for you meanwhile this dries a little bit, and it's this. I have this bag, this is a gift bag, supposedly for bottle of wine or whatever, and I love what it says here. Dear Santa, I've been good most of the time. So I thought, I have a friend who has a 5 or 6-year-old kid, and I thought it would be great for his room. So I cut this part of the bag. I cut this piece of foam from Dollar Tree, and I painted the border red because the bag has a red ribbon, and I thought it was great to use it to hang it. So I'm removing this. I've already made the holes where I'm going to pass the handle. and I'm going to glue this here. Again, I'm going to use this runner, and I'm going to add it to all the sides of the bag, like so. A little bit in the center. Let's turn this around, and now on this side. I'm trying to add this as closer as the border possible, as closer to the border as possible, so it will be really adhere to the foam. And now the most important thing is that the holes have to match. So I think that's kind of perfect, almost perfect. And here we go. Oh yeah. I really think that this is a nice sign to hang on a wall for a young kid. So I'm going, I don't know, I'm going to do this side. Well, I try this side, but I think it's going, I'm going to do it in reverse, because otherwise it's not going to stay flat in the wall. So I'm going to pass these extremes of the ribbon, and voila, we have a sign for the wall. And it's less than 5 minutes, and this is really unique. So this is what I have for you today. I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much to Sonia and Sandra, who is the owner of the Schwowin's Nest, for hosting this challenge. Please visit their channels. Thank you to all the participants also. It's a pleasure to share this challenge with all of them. Please watch their videos, and thank you so much to all of you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.